This is why you cannot teach a dog how to dance.
Hi guys, today I'm going to teach my dog how to dance like Michael Jackson. Now you see, that's the first reason why you cannot dance with a dog. You cannot teach a dog how to dance. Missy, stand up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's do the moonwalk. Billie Jean, I love her. You're just a girl, your foot not even sliding. Okay, do the jam combo. Yeah, pa, 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 pa. Your body's so limited. Okay, let's try something else. Okay, let's try a simple one. The one from Invincible album, Rock My World. You rock my world. Go.